Hello world. I am Abid Jamal. Visit my website electronicslovers.com. We are blessed to have visitors like you in our website, and at the same time glad that we are able to create such an impression. Electronicslovers started in July 2011 with the mission to produce ideas to student and engineer or hobbyists to learn electronics practically. Electronicslovers provides information by publishing tutorial, electronic circuit, technology news, final year project ideas and DIY stuff. Electronicslovers is a true place for the student and engineer or hobbyist to surpass within the field of electronics design. Electronicslovers will extremely toil to produce you smart ideas for your project and DIY stuff. Here at Electronicslovers we tend to share everything that we have got learned and still try and learn a lot of interesting ideas and comes within the field of electronics and embedded world. Thank you.